Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to schedule a payment on AT&T. If you don't have AT&T, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also put links in the descriptions below for various phone and wireless offers. To start, open the website att.com. Then click on Sign In. On the drop-down list, click again on Sign In. To sign in, enter first your user ID. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the page. Click on Payments. Now, enter the payment amount, or you could just keep the current one. Next, select a payment method. Then on the Date field, select the date of your preferred schedule. After that, review the payment details. If everything looks good, click on the Pay button. That's how you schedule a payment on AT&T. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.